Hi there, it's great to have you here at Colossyan. My name is Dominik, one of the founders of the company, and this is my AI actor. I will give you a short brief on how to get started on creating your first video here at Colossyan. Once inside the creator, simply type or paste in your script. The language will be automatically detected, so no need to worry about that. You can also ask for our AI assistant to help you tweak your script. Simply press / on your keyboard and get going. We also support up to 70+ languages, and what is amazing about that, you can translate your whole draft with a simple click. You can also select different accent or voices for your AI actor. You can listen how your script is pronounced by clicking on the button below. After finishing with your script, you can select the actor that fit your needs. In our case, Jennifer is just fine. Now you can move to the background, where you can select a solid color, choose from our stock library, upload your own, or use our screen recording feature. To further personalize your video, you can add various shapes, media, and texts. You can even animate them to give more life to your video. If you have more than one scene on your video, you can apply different transitions by clicking the Add Transition button. Once everything is finalized, you can click on Generate. Here, you can rename your video, choose the desired resolution, and then start on the generation process, which usually takes a few minutes, depending on the complexity of your video. If you have followed these steps, you now have created your first AI video with Colossyan. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions or queries.